What if I told you there was a business credit card that you can use to help you scale faster? But if you use them the wrong way, they can crush your cash flow and your personal credit. But I'm gonna make sure that you use it correctly, because in today's lesson, we're breaking down the best startup business credit cards to utilize. And I'm also gonna show you how to utilize them like a tool and not a trap. So what I want you to do is go grab your pen and paper. And without further ado, let's dive in. All right, ladies and gents, business owners, whoever's really watching this, I'm just going to try to keep this as simple as possible and try to help you out the best way I can. A business credit card is like a gas pedal for your business, okay? If you use it the right way, it's going to help you grow faster. But if you use it the wrong way, it can bury you in payments and also interest. But here's the problem. A lot of people get excited. They get the new card and they start swiping with no plan. They just have it right here. They have nothing on paper. They're not organized, okay? And that's how you turn funding into a financial stress. So the goal today is to not just have a card. The goal is to have the card and the strategy. Because I've helped a good amount of business owners acquire funding through big banks, credit unions, and even smaller community banks. And I'm telling you right now, from doing all of this, the people who win with funding are the ones who have a plan before they even swipe. Now, I'm not saying you have to have 100%, but just have some type of calculated plan, okay? But let's get into it. Now, the reason why I'm talking about these are the best startups is because of this number one thing: 0 APR introductory for 9 to 12 months. Why? Because in the beginning stages of you investing in your business or trying to scale, you don't want to be fighting two battles at once. You don't want to be trying to grow your business and paying off interest at the same exact time. But with 0 APR, it gives you breathing room, okay? But let me be clear, 0 APR is not free money, okay? It's a clock. And if you don't have a payoff plan before the time is out, then that's when you get hurt. So if you're serious about scaling, we start with cards that give you the most runway with the least amount of pressure. Now, there are a lot of good, lenders out there for sure, but many people early in their funding journey really don't know that American Express on the business side is super helpful, and it can be a safe first card for beginners. Amex has multiple business cards, but for a startup, what we care about first is, do I get, again, a 0 APR introductory purchase for the first 12 months, okay? And that's what you get, because a full year is where you can leverage their money while building, okay? So let's go ahead and break down card number one. Now with card number one, we're talking about the Blue Business Plus credit card, okay? So the reason why this matters is because, again, you get that 0 APR for a full year, a full 12 months. And then after that, of course, your APR variable rate is typically ranging, as in the making of this video, 16.74% all the way up to 27%, okay? Depending on your profile and what you've been doing in that past year. So what does that mean in real life? It means that you have a full year to leverage the card without worrying about any type of serious interest. Doesn't mean that you don't make a payment. You just don't have to worry about interest. And as long as you're making smart payments and you have a plan, you'll be good. Because let's say that you're starting a truck dispatching business or a cleaning business or an e-com business. You might need money for things like equipment, software, inventory, marketing, or even just hiring help. And that 0 APR period gives you room to invest and build the revenue so you can pay it back strategically. But again, if you swipe with no plan, you are going to feel that pain later. It's just delayed. So again, this could be a very good starter card right here, but it does not stop there, because in card number two, we're talking about the Blue Business Cash credit card, okay? Quick break. I hope that you're enjoying the video, but this could change your business forever. If you're a business owner that's trying to scale, I got some free gifts for you. First up, we have our credit bootcamp. Video trainings where I personally walk you through how to access up to $150,000 in capital, step by step. No fluff, don't worry about it, and straight game. I usually reserve some of the information that I gave you here just for my private clients. And I'm also adding more. Plus, I'm dropping a free inquiry removal kit, okay? This is the exact system that you can use to delete hard inquiries in 48 hours flat. It's all 100% free. The only thing that's going to cost you is your email. That's it. Or you can click the link below to sign up for our free capital consultation where I can help you gain up to $300,000 in capital. So again, click the link below and grab it now. But enough about that. Let's get back to the video. And this one is honestly very similar to the first one when we're really talking about, starter strategies, okay? But here's the key part again. You get that 0 APR for 12 months, aka a full year from the date of the account open. After that, the variable is, I think it's relatively the same, 16.74% all the way up to almost 27%. But now, here's the powerful thing about this. In many cases, you could potentially acquire both credit cards, okay? This is why I'm telling you that, and I know you were like, these sound the same, it doesn't matter. You can acquire both credit cards. And the big deal is because you can double the limits, okay? And still have a full year of no interest on these purchases. So instead of just having just one line of credit or one credit card, you can have two. And you're scaling, having two strong limits, giving you more flexibility. Now, with all that being said, I need you to listen carefully to this part because this is where most people mess up. This is where most people stop the video, they go apply, and they just get whatever they get. But this card is most important because of the limit of what you can get. Because one person applies and can get a $3,000 limit. Another person can apply and get a $20,000 limit. Same bank, same cards, two totally different outcomes. So what determines those limits, you might ask? Your credit profile and your positioning. To really maximize with American Express, especially on the business side, you want great credit, no negatives on your credit profile. So that means no late payments, no charge-offs, no collection. It does not matter even if it's paid off. If it's sitting on your credit report, it has to go, okay? Limited inquiries. And just to break down, the beginning point, ideally you want a 700 credit score or better. I know that they say you can have a 680. That's fine. I've seen people get approved like that. But from everybody that's been going through me and from what I've seen on the outside, having that 700, 710, 720 is always way better. But that doesn't stop there. Because a lot of people, just go straight to business first. And then they wonder why they get stuck with these small limits. Sometimes, the better move is building the relationship on the personal side first. Then go for the business, okay? Because you can really avoid situations where you go into business first and then you get like that $3,000 limit like I shared earlier. But when you do it strategically, you could position yourself for much stronger and higher limits. Amex don't know you, so why would they give you $20,000, $30,000, $40,000, $50,000 just off the bat? Because your score looks good? Sometimes that's not enough for certain banks. I've seen it where someone takes the right approach, and instead of getting a tiny limit, they get strong limit approvals from $20,000 all the way up to even $40,000, $50,000. So think of $40,000 with a 0 APR of 12 months. Okay? Let that sink in. Now, obviously, approvals and limits are not guaranteed. It depends on the specific profile and my data points that I always give my clients. But the point is, the strategy changes outcomes. Of course, they need marketing, ads. People need to know who you are. You need eyeballs, things like that. Equipment, software, back-end systems, things like that. Inventory, if you do need inventory. Again, systems. And sometimes even staff. Okay, you might need staff. You might have to hire somebody. You might need, to take certain things off of you so you can have somebody smarter in that department so they can do it. You got to pay them. So the ability is to manage cash flow smoothly. So if you use these cards correctly, you can essentially fund growth while keeping your cash available, especially within that 0 APR. But I'm going to say it again. If you don't have the correct strategy, this can also harm you. So let me give you the 3 biggest mistakes that I've seen, and then we'll clear it all up, okay? Mistake number 1 is, again, having no payoff plan. People swipe, but they never decide how they're going to pay it down. They think they're just kicking the can down the road thinking I'll figure it out when that time comes. Don't do that. It's crazy. Mistake number 2, high balances with no structure. Even if you're getting these 0 interest credit cards, high balances with no plan is going to turn into a stress. And then mistake number 3 is mixing business spending with no tracking. All right. Taxes is going to come around and you got to make sure that you have everything in line. If not, you got a whole nother issue that you have to worry about. All right. And now you have to manage that too. So again, if you use all the information that I told you in this video, really starting kind of on the personal side, maybe getting like the green card or the gold card on the personal side, just to try to establish that relationship first, I would say for at least maybe 30, 60 days, and then maybe go on to the business side and get both of these credit cards. Then you'll be able to get these high limits plus your strong profile plus your business entity structure, making sure that it's set up properly. You have the better chances of getting these $20,000 to $50,000 at zero APR for 12 months. Now, I know a lot of you are like, man, I've tried this, but it didn't work, or I'm not totally sure if I'm doing this right, or I don't even know if my entity is set up right. Don't worry, I got you. Because what I want you to do is click the link below right now to sign up for a capital consultation right now. For all my business owners trying to start or scale their business, here at Everhart Capital, what we do is we make sure that your personal profile is in position. Then we make sure that your business entity is where it needs to be. We push you over to our relationship managers to make sure that you get these $20,000 to $50,000 approvals. And then always remember, it's like having a cheat sheet in your back pocket, because you know exactly what to put on these applications, what needs to be done, when to execute. So now you're having $50,000 to almost $300,000 in capital. So again, what I want you to do is click the link below right now, and I'll see you on that call. I want to thank you guys for stopping by. I really hope this helps you guys, and understand if you utilize this correctly, getting that high amounts of capital is going to be extremely easy. Again, I want to thank you guys for stopping by, and until next time, ladies and gents.